train your English voice to use might and may in sentences. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use might to talk about things that we are not 100% sure about, things that are only possibilities. We can also use may for the same purpose. I may and I might mean the same thing. For example, they might be late for dinner. They may be late for dinner. Another way to use may is to ask permission. When you are able to do something but you don't know if you are allowed to do it, you have to ask permission. For example, I would like to go to the Scottish Highland Games. May I please take leave for 5 days? Or, please may I leave work early today?